set, I'm going to be going through what you need to know for your upcoming art assessment. I'll be outlining what you need to do to prepare, explain what you're going to be assessed on, and also what a successful assessment piece will look like. As well as watching this video and others that I'm going to be uploading, you can also look in the booklet which is attached, which has everything that you will need plus extra resources. Please note that all of your work for and including your assessment is due on the 25th of June. So to prepare for your assessment, there are 2 revision lessons for you to complete. These revision lessons are really important because firstly, you haven't had any art lessons in school since the spring term, so you will need to practice your drawing before your assessment to ensure that you are producing work to a really good and high standard. And lastly, you also need to learn about the artist that your assessment is going to be based on, which is on Diane Sutherland. So you're going to be assessed on both your written and practical work. There are going to be 4 areas that you are going to be assessed on. 1, 2, 3, and 4. You're going to be assessed on how you have investigated the artist's work, refined and evaluated your own work. So these are going to be demonstrated in the written work that you have to complete. You're also going to be assessed on how you develop your own ideas in the style of the artist, and also how you are demonstrating technical skill when creating responses, and these are going to be shown in the drawings that you complete. For each area, you will be marked as either limited, basic, competent, or confident. Look carefully at what you need to be doing to be confident in all areas, which is highlighted in red. This progress tracker is also found in your booklet, so you can study it in a bit more detail too. Or alternatively, you can pause the video. So when producing your artwork from home, you should be considering the following. You need to be recalling key techniques such as drawing accurate shape and tone. You need to really think carefully about how you best present your work. So you'll be taking photographs of practical work, and you must make sure that your photos are clear and in focus. Consider how best to use materials. You know how to draw well, make sure this is clear in your work. Using your written work, you need to make sure you're describing, analysing and evaluating. Make sure you use the key words and key art terminology in this booklet to help you. Look carefully now at all the different key areas that you need to consider in both your practical and written work in order to be successful.